Hello everyone, you are welcome back to our YouTube channel. And in this video I am going to tell you how you can improve your communication skills. So there are so many people who want to improve their communication skills. They want to bring the changes in their personality, in their speaking styles, but there are many confusions also existing in their minds. Okay, so people want to know that what can be the ways, what can be the effective ways through which they can improve, they can bring the changes, bring the transformation in their personality and communication skills. Okay, so I would like to share something that is going to be very relevant for improving your communication skills. Okay, so if you are from the environment where nobody is there to speak English with you, then you must follow these tips. Okay, and you can improve definitely your communication skills. This is my guarantee to you. I also completed my study from the government school. Okay, and from the Hindi medium background I was. Okay, so and it was very much difficult for me to improve my English speaking skills as well, but I determine it in myself. Okay, so the first step that you have to take is the willpower, your decision. When you determine once in your heart that you have to learn something, then there is nobody who can stop you to learning that. Okay, so what is the first step? You have to decide by yourself that you wanna learn it really. Okay, once you decide it, then you start practicing for that, then you put your effort for that. Okay, so I started the same. So the first challenge that is faced by you in front of you, so how you can improve your communication skills? So there are two ways. Okay, there are two ways to improve your English language skills. Once you listen to someone and you replicate them, mean you start also speaking. And the second way, you learn the grammatical aspects first, writing skills, and after that you apply that in your speaking. So I went for the second step. Okay, because I didn't have the environment where I could speak with other people, so I had the second option. So I started writing, I started focusing upon the grammatical aspect. I preferred a book, and that book name is RP Sena. You can also choose the another one or the same one. So I completed all the lessons and the chapters from that book, and I got the command over that. When I got the command over that, then I also correspondingly speaking with someone. Okay, in my school, whenever I got the chance, whenever I got the opportunity, even I could only speak the 2 or 3 lines, but that was enough for me, because I was really much passionate. I was very determined that I want to speak English fluently one day. So I started putting my efforts for that, and from the 2 lines I switched to the 4 lines, and from the 4 lines I switched to the 6 line, and this procedure was going on. And as the time rolled by, I got the result of that. I was much more confident, and whenever I was given the topic for giving the presentation in my class, so I prepared it by my heart, I delivered it in front of the people. And the third thing that you have to do when you are speaking with anybody, okay, whether you are speaking wrong or right, if you are using the was instead of using is in your sentence, then don't worry about it. Okay, at the starting, at the very outside, you have to make the mistakes, because mistakes are not the wrong things. Okay, when you are making the mistakes, that is the sign you are learning something. The people can laugh at you in the starting, they can taunt you, that how you can improve your communication skills. Have you ever imagined about it? But you don't have to bother from these taunts, because you have to decide how you can improve your communication skills. Okay, so then if you ignore the people, then you can focus upon your speaking skills. Yes, once you decided, and once whenever you get the chance, you just keep on speaking. Listen someone, speak with anybody, listen someone, speak with anybody. And there are so many sources from where you can watch the videos and audios. You can listen the audios, you can even record your audio, so that you can understand your pronunciation of the English. Okay, that is very much important. Whenever you are going to speak, your pronunciation, your accent of speaking really matters for you. So once you get the command over it, and also do the writing practice. There are so many people who are neglecting the writing practice, but I want to tell you the benefit of writing something. When you write on any topic, suppose it can be any of the topic, okay, in the starting you can choose any simple topic, then you can write some lines. What does it do? It multiplies your thinking power. Okay, it multiplies your thinking power. If one idea is coming into your mind, then you put some pressure over your mind, and the second, third, fourth, and multiple ideas come to your mind. And this helps in your speaking. When you are standing in front of anybody, when you are standing in front of a large number of people, then there must not be the scarcity of the thoughts in your mind. So when your mind is full of the thoughts, your ideas, then you can easily continue to speak in English. So that is the method that I followed, and I also recommend you to follow, and you will definitely get the result of it. So apply it in your practical life, and if you see the transformation, so don't forget to tell me about this. Okay, and if you want to make me any video upon your any issue, then you can comment me in the comment box. Okay, so thank you very much for listening me, and I hope you liked this video. And if you like, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also share to your friend. So meet you in the next video with a new interesting topic.